Last week has been pretty stressful. Working like close to 60 hours on this little car. The initial idea or the initial problem was that there was quite a bit of rust in the rear wheel well, in particular in this area, which is a common problem. Of course, a lot of cars going through that, and in this case, there was also it's the problem that there's a lot of plastic panels and such everywhere, so there's a lot of mud that can just stick underneath. So as soon as that is compromised, it just starts rusting away. So I had to remove this panel. Obviously, all the panels have been removed, and then the whole area from here to here had to be replaced. Obviously now the cover is over it, so you can't really see, but there's even an area here that I had to put in. You can still see a little bit here that because I couldn't really shape that. This, by the way, is just a little bit of rubber that started sticking on it. So, and afterwards we covered the whole thing, or I did cover the whole thing in Cobra paint, just to improve not only the looks but actually make that more durable overall. We decided on going in this line. The original panel is just going here. We added this one because there was quite a few rust spots around this area here, and on the other side the same problem. And then to blend everything in, we decided on covering the entire plastic area in the bottom part with Cobra paint. It was about 3 cans. And to top it all off, including the mud flaps as well, some of them were broken, so I actually plastic welded them, including this panel here. Those ones had 3 big old holes in it because there used to be a step here, which the owner of the car removed early on, and then there were big old gaps here, so there was way more stuff that could just get trapped underneath and rubbing on the material and whatnot. So I closed them up, spuckled them close, and then painted them over. So, but to top it all off, decided on doing a little accent. And here, this is a little bit elevated here, so this is a nice, kind of a nice way to blend it all in. So yeah, looking good. It turned out pretty well. Like the plastic got a plastic primer on it, and then the Cobra paint over it, and then obviously like everything that needed to be in metal, exposed metal, was primed, and then afterwards Cobra painted. So